Hello my viewers and great learners. It's your teacher Timita again on Smart Learning from channel. Last week, I was having a comprehension class with my pupils and I observed that they were using wrong registers or wrong words for the different means of transportation. So I thought to myself, why don't I correct this and share it with you so that you can help your children to know the right registers for the different means of transportation, or even correct yourself if you've been making similar mistakes. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the right registers or verbs for the different means of transportation. First, what is transportation? Simply put, transportation is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. But what are the right registers or verbs for the different means of transportation? The correct registers or verbs to use for the different means of transportation depends largely on the mode of transport. For land transportation like cars, trucks, bicycles, buses, motorbikes, the correct verb is drive or ride. Look at this example. The man is driving the car. Another one. The child is riding the bicycle. What about air transportation? For air transport like airplanes and helicopters, the correct verb is fly. For example, the pilot is flying the airplane. Another example, the helicopter is flying over the city. So the correct verb is fly, not drive. Now, when it comes to water transportation, what is the correct verb? Stay tuned, we'll be back. Are you struggling with English, mathematics, or social studies? Do you need an expert guidance to master commerce and financial accounting? Look no further. Welcome to Mr. Smart E-Lesson. With my interactive Zoom class, you're going to gain clarity and confidence in your studies. Whether you are preparing for exams or just need an extra support, I've got you covered. Some of the subjects offered in Mr. Smart E-Lessons includes English language, mathematics, social studies, commerce, and financial accounting. So what are you waiting for? Join me every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for engaging classes tailored just for you. Book a spot today by sending a message to +234 803 361 3851. Let's make learning easy and fun. Glad to have you back. When it comes to water transport, what is the right verb? For water transport like boats, canoes, ships, and sailboats, the right verb is row or sail, depending on the watercraft. Look at this example. The man is sailing the boat. Another example. The woman is rowing the canoe. So, using the right verbs for the mode of transportation is important for proper register and meaning. Instead of saying drive a plane or drive a canoe, you should say fly a plane and sail or row a boat. I hope this helps you to improve your use of grammar. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be the first to see our weekly valuable content. And kindly check the description below to sign up for my free online tutoring session and grab my ebook and grammar starter pack to make your grammar fun and easy. Watch my next video on creative grammar teaching methods for teachers and parents. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.